busy,
busy,
រវល់មមាញឹក
a busy man, woman,
a busy man, woman.
បុរសស្ត្រីរវល់
My mother is a very busy woman.
My mother is a very busy woman.
ម្ដាយរបស់ខ្ញុំគឺជាស្ត្រីម្នាក់ដែលរវល់ខ្លាំង
The doctor is a very busy man.
The doctor is a very busy man.
លោកគ្រូពេទ្យម្នាក់នោះរវល់ខ្លាំងណាស់
Really, extremely busy.
Really, extremely busy.
រវល់ខ្លាំងណាស់
I've been really busy recently.
I've been really busy recently.
ខ្ញុំរវល់ខ្លាំងណាស់ក្នុងពេលថ្មីៗនេះ
Farmers are extremely busy during the harvest.
Farmers are extremely busy during the harvest.
កសិករមមាញឹកខ្លាំងណាស់ក្នុងអំឡុងពេលប្រមូលផល
Too busy.
Too busy.
រវល់ពេក
Many people say they are too busy to exercise.
Many people say they are too busy to exercise.
មនុស្សជាច្រើននិយាយថាពួកគេរវល់ពេកមិនអាចហាត់ប្រាណបានទេ
A busy place.
A busy place.
កន្លែងមមាញឹក
Hospitals are busy places.
Hospitals are busy places.
មន្ទីរពេទ្យជាកន្លែងមមាញឹក
A busy city, town.
A busy city, town.
ទីក្រុងដ៏មមាញឹក
Beijing is a huge busy city.
Beijing is a huge busy city.
ប៉េកាំងជាទីក្រុងដ៏មមាញឹកធំមួយ
A busy port, airport.
A busy port, airport.
កំពង់ផែអាកាសយានដ្ឋានដ៏មមាញឹក
Chicago is known for its busy port.
Chicago is known for its busy port.
គេស្គាល់ទីក្រុងស៊ីកាហ្គោដោយសារកំពង់ផែដ៏មមាញឹករបស់វា
A shop, store, is busy.
A shop, store is busy.
ហាងមមាញឹក
The stores are always busy just before Christmas.
The stores are always busy just before Christmas.
ហាងទាំងនេះតែងតែមមាញឹកនៅមុនថ្ងៃបុណ្យណូអែល
A busy day.
A busy day.
ថ្ងៃរវល់
I've had a very busy day.
I've had a very busy day.
ថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំរវល់ណាស់
A busy time.
A busy time.
ពេលវេលាមមាញឹក
This is the busiest time of the year for our company.
This is the busiest time of the year for our company.
នេះជាពេលវេលាដ៏មមាញឹកបំផុតប្រចាំឆ្នាំសម្រាប់ក្រុមហ៊ុនរបស់យើង
A busy life.
A busy life.
ជីវិតរវល់
He's wealthy, but he has a very busy life.
He's wealthy, but he has a very busy life.
គាត់សម្បូរទ្រព្យប៉ុន្តែគាត់មានជីវិតមមាញឹកណាស់
I sometimes wish my life wasn't so busy.
I sometimes wish my life wasn't so busy.
ពេលខ្លះខ្ញុំមិនចង់ឲ្យជីវិតខ្ញុំរវល់ខ្លាំងដូចសពថ្ងៃនេះទេ
A busy schedule.
A busy schedule.
កាលវិភាគមមាញឹក
I have a very busy schedule.
I have a very busy schedule.
កាលវិភាគរបស់ខ្ញុំមមាញឹកណាស់
The president has a very busy schedule.
The president has a very busy schedule.
កាលវិភាគរបស់លោកប្រធានាធិបតីមមាញឹកណាស់
A busy road, street.
A busy road, street.
ផ្លូវថ្នល់មមាញឹក
Be careful when crossing busy roads.
Be careful when crossing busy roads.
សូមប្រុងប្រយ័ត្នពេលឆ្លងថ្នល់មមាញឹក
The house is on a very busy street.
The house is on a very busy street.
ផ្ទះនោះស្ថិតនៅលើផ្លូវដ៏មមាញឹក
Get busy.
Get busy.
រវល់
The place gets very busy at lunchtimes.
The place gets very busy at lunchtimes.
កន្លែងនេះមមាញឹកខ្លាំងនៅពេលអាហារថ្ងៃត្រង់
The restaurant was getting busy at 7 p.m.
The restaurant was getting busy at 7 p.m.
ភោជនីយដ្ឋានបានចាប់ផ្ដើមមមាញឹកនៅម៉ោង 7 យប់
Busy with somebody, something.
Busy with somebody, something.
រវល់ជាមួយនរណាម្នាក់ឬអ្វីមួយ
PZ is busy with her homework.
PZ is busy with her homework.
ពិសីកំពុងរវល់នឹងកិច្ចការផ្ទះរបស់នាង
Chinda is busy with a customer at the moment.
Chinda is busy with a customer at the moment.
នៅពេលនេះចិន្តាកំពុងរវល់ជាមួយអតិថិជនម្នាក់
Busy doing something.
Busy doing something.
រវល់ធ្វើអ្វីមួយ
The technician is busy repairing the machine.
The technician is busy repairing the machine.
អ្នកបច្ចេកទេសកំពុងរវល់ជួសជុលម៉ាស៊ីន
Lena is busy practicing her English.
Lena is busy practicing her English.
លីណាកំពុងរវល់ហាត់និយាយភាសាអង់គ្លេស
Keep somebody busy.
Keep somebody busy.
ធ្វើឲ្យនរណាម្នាក់រវល់
I have enough work to keep you busy.
I have enough work to keep you busy.
ខ្ញុំមានការងារសមល្មមនឹងធ្វើឲ្យអ្នករវល់បាន
As busy as a bee.
As busy as a bee.
រវល់ដូចឃ្មុំរវល់ខ្លាំង
She's as busy as a bee.
She's as busy as a bee.
នាងរវល់ខ្លាំងណាស់
Are you busy now?
Are you busy now?
តើពេលនេះអ្នករវល់ទេ
Are you busy tonight?
Are you busy tonight?
តើយប់នេះអ្នករវល់ទេ
Are you busy this afternoon?
Are you busy this afternoon?
តើរសៀលនេះអ្នករវល់ទេ
I had a very busy morning.
I had a very busy morning.
ព្រឹកមិញខ្ញុំរវល់ណាស់
My mom is busy in the kitchen.
My mom is busy in the kitchen.
ម៉ាក់របស់ខ្ញុំកំពុងរវល់នៅក្នុងផ្ទះបាយ
Sorry, I'll be busy tomorrow.
Sorry, I'll be busy tomorrow.
សូមទោសថ្ងៃស្អែកខ្ញុំជាប់រវល់ហើយ
Sorry, I'm too busy to talk to you now.
Sorry, I'm too busy to talk to you now.
សូមទោសខ្ញុំកំពុងរវល់មិនអាចនិយាយជាមួយអ្នកឥឡូវនេះបានទេ
I'm sorry, but I'm busy at the moment.
I'm sorry, but I'm busy at the moment.
ឲ្យខ្ញុំសូមទោសផងខ្ញុំកំពុងរវល់នៅពេលនេះ
I'm a bit busy. Can I ring you back later?
I'm a bit busy. Can I ring you back later?
ខ្ញុំជាប់រវល់បន្តិចចាំខ្ញុំទូរស័ព្ទទៅអ្នកវិញនៅពេលក្រោយតើបានទេ
I'm a bit busy right now. Can we talk later?
I'm a bit busy right now. Can we talk later?
ពេលនេះខ្ញុំជាប់រវល់បន្តិចតើយើងអាចនិយាយគ្នាពេលក្រោយបានទេ
Don't interrupt me when I'm busy.
Don't interrupt me when I am busy.
កុំរំខានខ្ញុំពេលខ្ញុំកំពុងរវល់
Don't interrupt me when I'm talking.
Don't interrupt me when I am talking.
កុំរំខានខ្ញុំពេលខ្ញុំកំពុងនិយាយ
I'm too busy to go with you.
I'm too busy to go with you.
ខ្ញុំរវល់ពេកមិនអាចទៅជាមួយអ្នកបានទេ
He's too busy. Let me go instead.
He's too busy. Let me go instead.
គាត់រវល់ហើយទុកឲ្យខ្ញុំទៅជំនួសវិញ
If you're busy now, we could do it later on.
If you're busy now, we could do it later on.
បើឥឡូវនេះអ្នករវល់យើងអាចធ្វើវានៅពេលក្រោយក៏បាន
I called, but your line was busy.
I called, but your line was busy.
ខ្ញុំបានទូរស័ព្ទទៅតែទូរស័ព្ទរបស់អ្នកជាប់រវល់
The line is busy. I'll try again later.
The line is busy. I'll try again later.
ទូរស័ព្ទនេះជាប់រវល់ហើយខ្ញុំនឹងព្យាយាមម្ដងទៀតនៅពេលក្រោយ
He's still busy. He has not finished his work yet.
He's still busy. He has not finished his work yet.
គាត់នៅតែជាប់រវល់គាត់មិនទាន់ធ្វើការងាររបស់គាត់រួចរាល់នៅឡើយទេ
He's a very busy man, and he doesn't have much free time.
He's a very busy man and he doesn't have much free time.
គាត់ជាមនុស្សរវល់ខ្លាំងហើយគាត់មិនមានពេលទំនេរច្រើនទេ
We have to cross a busy road to get to school.
We have to cross a busy road to get to school.
យើងត្រូវឆ្លងថ្នល់ដ៏មមាញឹកមួយដើម្បីទៅដល់សាលារៀន
I'll be too busy to come to the meeting.
I'll be too busy to come to the meeting.
ខ្ញុំនឹងជាប់រវល់មិនអាចទៅប្រជុំបានទេ
Nita said she would be too busy to come.
Nita said she would be too busy to come.
នីតាបាននិយាយថានាងរវល់ពេកមិនអាចមកបានទេ
He was too busy talking to notice us come in.
He was too busy talking to notice us come in.
គាត់រវល់និយាយគ្នាមិនបានឃើញយើងចូលមកទេ
I'm busy preparing to go on holiday.
I'm busy preparing to go on holiday.
ខ្ញុំកំពុងរវល់រៀបចំសម្រាប់ការទៅដើរលេងវិស្សមកាល
I have a very busy schedule today.
I have a very busy schedule today.
កាលវិភាគខ្ញុំថ្ងៃនេះមមាញឹកណាស់
He invited us, but we refused because we were busy.
He invited us, but we refused because we were busy.
គាត់បានអញ្ជើញយើងប៉ុន្តែយើងបដិសេធដោយសារយើងជាប់រវល់
I try to avoid supermarkets on Saturdays. They're so busy.
I try to avoid supermarkets on Saturdays. They're so busy.
ខ្ញុំព្យាយាមជៀសមិនទៅផ្សារទំនើបនៅថ្ងៃសៅរ៍ព្រោះវាមមាញឹកណាស់
You look like you've had a busy day.
You look like you've had a busy day.
មើលទៅអ្នកហាក់ដូចជារវល់ណាស់ថ្ងៃនេះ
The accident happened at a busy road junction.
The accident happened at a busy road junction.
គ្រោះថ្នាក់នេះបានកើតឡើងនៅចំណុចផ្លូវបំបែកដ៏មមាញឹក
The two cars collided at a busy intersection.
The two cars collided at a busy intersection.
រថយន្តទាំងពីរបានបុកគ្នានៅចំណុចផ្លូវបំបែកដ៏មមាញឹក